Hey guys, it's Chelsea with WTI, talking today about this Carol's Daughter Strengthening Goddess System. Now, this is their cocoon mask. Now, I absolutely love this mask. It did exactly what it did. It strengthened my hair and lengthened my hair. So when I was in the shower, it really made the process a lot smoother. Didn't have to comb through my hair and trying to really fight with it, because this has a creamy fiber texture. As you can see, this was the thickest, creamiest texture, and it really glided through my hair, which made it so much easier to be washing my hair and working with this mask on wash day.
The mask did such a good job at making sure my hair was repaired from the damage, as well as keeping it moisturized. You let it sit for 5 minutes and you'll be good to go.
So if you're looking for a really great mask to strengthen and lengthen your hair, I recommend this one right here. That's my point of view.